Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Keoweditse Moremedi, the founder and the director for Tsoseletso Healthcare Clinic. We are operating in Khalishiwe, S1E102 village in Khalishiwe. Tsoseletso Healthcare Clinic is existing after the research that I did and find out that there is a great demand for improved, affordable and accessible healthcare services in the city. We are rendering services under gynecology, adult care and pediatric care. Under gynecology, to be specific, we render services like family planning, antenatal care, and pap smears and breast examination. Under pediatric care, we render baby immunization and deworming. Under adult care, we render services like health risk assessment, whereby we do blood pressures, your sugars, your cholesterol, your HIV and your iron test. Okay, you can get hold of me at Unit 10 in S1E102 village in Khalishiwe by Kwanachala and Hulana Street. We are also on Facebook as Tsoseletso Healthcare Clinic. We are on the website www.tsoseletsoclinic.co.za. On WhatsApp, you can WhatsApp or call 076 811 9545. Hi, my name is Keoweditse Moremedi. I am a township entrepreneur.